This video is brought to you by P2P Profit, the easiest way to receive $100,000 in 2019 with no selling and no website needed, completely turnkey. Click the link in the description and we'll see you inside the free training course.
Hey guys, it's Rena Williams of CoachRenaWilliams.com. I just want to take a minute to tell you about a simple way that you can get funding if that's something you're looking to do, which I believe everyone wants extra money, everyone needs funding. So here's a simple way that you can get funding for whatever you need. You just have to watch this 8-minute video and it will give you all the details. I've been in this for only a couple of weeks and having great success with it, and people all around me, all over the net, all over the continent, different states, different countries are having phenomenal success with this. So I thought I should share it with you because it's too good to keep to myself. So if you want to raise money for any project, you want to help your kids go to college, you want to help your church in a building fund or whatever their need is, you want to help yourself for the holidays, this is something that you want to check out because it's really helping people get the funding and in a quick way. It's unbelievable. So check it out. Go to fundings.winningonlinetoday.com or just check the link that's in the description here. So I thought I'd share that with you because people are having unbelievable success with this, and someone shared it with me, so I want to share it with you. So check out the 8-minute video to see what this is all about and how it's helping people all around the world to meet their financial goals. So Rena Williams sharing some great information about how you can get funding that you or your family, your church, your community, your kids, or whomever needs. So funding.winningonlinetoday.com. Watch the 8-minute video and it will explain everything to you. And don't wait around. Get in this. It's worth it. All right. Happy holidays. Talk with you later. Bye now.